Alright guys, here we are with the St. Paul RD little party here. It's free to get in, 20 bucks to park, 16th day of January 2025. So we're gonna do a bunch of videos. Tomorrow, Saturday, I'm gonna go over down to Canterbury. The next version will be coming up with a camping show. So let's cruise in here to this Ridgeway place. Oh my god, he's a big one. Ridgeway one, huh? Oh my. Here we go, you guys. It's a big dog. There you go. So if you're an old person, walking up these stairs could be difficult. If you know what I'm talking about, it could be very, very difficult. So, anyways, who knows? But yeah, so here we go. Look at this behavior, huh? Looks kind of nice. It's a nice big bed. You've got head over here, over here. Kind of nice. Not too bad. Walk-in shower. Kind of not bad. Nice room. This is these are the kind of things you buy and you let them, and you don't move it. This is where you pull your house, drive your car. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy, huh? Oh my goodness. This sucker is not cheap, trust me. But this way to go. Instead of driving your vehicle, you pull your house. This is it right here. So if you have kids or something, grandchildren, look at that. Everybody get up in there. But if you're older, man, getting up those stairs, so you can sit right here and watch TV. Nice. Just as long as they're made correctly, because you know how bad they can get. Liz Amazing on YouTube is very good at it. Let's go down here. It's free to get in, like I said. So you've got your over here. This is nice. I have something like that, but a little bigger. So you can put your omelets on here.
You could probably answer. Yeah, I can see if I can answer any questions. Well, you can answer some questions.
This is 15 show price here. 16 grand sports. Storage area. Kind of a small head, but you get in there. Refrigerator. This is kind of nice. This is a nice one. Not bad for 16 grand. If I'm single, I could pull this. This is not bad. Just depends. It doesn't leak. That's the other problem with these bad boys. But this is a nice one if you're single, in my mind. Everything's here for you. You sit down there, you sleep, whatever else. You have a TV somewhere. Right here you eat. Put a TV somewhere. But yeah, it's not bad. For 15 grand, 16 grand, not bad. And here's another small one for 15 grand. These are not bad. I don't think I would need this over here. I guess if you're by yourself. But it seems nice. Just all depends on the quality. They don't leak. It's a nice bed. My dad always called it the workbench, right? But a couple beds here. You got your stuff over here. Not bad. Probably easy to pull. F250. Got the head right here. Not bad. That's not too bad. I'd put something else in the corner there, something else. So, not bad. This one's something's in there, so that one's kind of nice. Yeah, that's a storage area. You can put something underneath there. It's not bad. This one is $25,000 here. When she comes on out, we'll go on in there. So, well, not bad. It's an easy one to pull. Sportsman. Go up there and see what it is. 25,000. Well, that's a nice bed. Nice. Right here, TV. Not bad. To me, if I'm pulling up by myself, me and my wife or something, I'd make a storage back in here, put my bicycles back in here or something. That's just me. You know. Well, that's a nice head. Pretty good. I mean, it's nice. After taxes, probably about 28 grand. I take it. Not bad. But it also breaks all the time, so I don't know. So what's going on down here? Beauty is I'm on a Thursday night, so they're trying to get here the weekend with more people. So over here, see this one is.
Well, no, we're gonna vacation, but we do need to use it. We do need it on our honeymoon.
24,000. You got the money right now? Cut that check.
Every time.
Yeah, Hondos too as well. You know.
Yeah.
That's not bad. It's a nice bed back in there. Very nice. Why? This one's nice. 25 grand. It's very nice. I like it. I bet it's like a area you can probably come back here and sleep if you want. Whatever else. Storage area. As long as they don't leak, this makes me a little nervous. How cheap they can be. You know what I'm saying? The biggest problem with these things. A lot of money to shell out and leak.
There, we'll sneak right. And if we should decide to buy
This one looks kind of nice. 18,000.
Yes.
because we can't take it right now.
We just acquired that lot that's next door to us.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. There it is. That's a nice one again. You're single. You want to pull it. $18,000. Not bad. 20 grand. That's affordable. Easy to pull. F250. Come over here. Sit down. Have the TV come hang the top up there. But yeah, I like them. That look just as long as they're not gonna. It's kind of scary. I don't know why this moves like this. I don't know why that does. I don't know why, but you make sure you get your RVs inspected before you do anything else. Okay, always. But that's not bad. Put it on here.
So it's at least.
This one over here. Got something sitting in there. So, oh, it's a truck. Oh yeah, drive it around. I see. All right. No, I'm just filming. I want you guys on. You're okay. It's like 90 grand, so you can kind of see what it is. But I get it. Trying to get around this bad boy. It's a big machine. So. Over here, let's go to the Lance, $62,000. Oh my goodness. I'll film somebody that's going to be filmed. That's nice. Nice. Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
Was-
We'll have to figure out how to put that on ours.
Oh, yeah.
Too complicated.
No, as long as they don't leak, that's all I say. It's the biggest problem with these things. Before you buy it, you get it inspected. Just telling people. Go watch Liz Amazing on YouTube. She'll tell you all about that behavior. Dead serious, man. All right, man. Interesting, but they're still in there. So we'll go over here, look at a couple of these. These things kind of scare me when they come out like this. And they can break. Less moving. This one is a pretty big dog. This is the fifth wheel that you're gonna put this on your truck, right there. As you can kind of tell. So big bar. Durango HT. You get a little 50 grand probably. List lot price 50 grand. Show discount. Okay. So we'll see. I don't know. It's kind of nice. here.
That's what kind of fridge we use.
82.5. It's a vehicle. This one. Oh, this is where you drive your house around, huh? Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I'm the kind of guy I drive my car, pull my house. That's the way I am. That way you just drop your trailer and go into town. You know what I'm saying? It's my personal opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of thought
I
too.
know.
The harder
If you
go
buy
for
one
it.
of these, make sure you get it inspected. I'm just telling you.
Are you like a used one or?
Anybody, you get an inspector before you buy it a lot. You get an inspector. Go to Liz Amazing on YouTube. She'll tell you. I'm dead serious, man. Even though it look brand new, a lot of money to show. Like you buy a house, you get inspected, right?
Right.
Then you should get this inspected to make sure. It costs like $1,000 when they come and do it, because things do fall apart and fall off.
I don't like this table. I don't want them at the table.
I agree.
The tables are.
All right, guys.
They should not have carpeting on these steps because they're slipping.
Yeah, all right. TV's up here, but anyways, guys. So yeah, let's go on down here. Get it inspected, man. So this one over here, this is measly about 50 grand, looks like. Let's see, this one is. How's it going, my friend?
Good. How are you?
Oh, looking at this stuff. What's your warranty on these bad boys?
This one's a 2-year hitch bumper, 3-year structural.
Okay.
With KZ, all the KZ stuff, the Durango, Connect S.
Okay. Do you fix it or do you send it back to factory if there's a problem?
We'll fix it.
Okay. 'Cause I've been a lot of videos on where people that sell them send it off to the factory, to fix it. So I'm just wondering.
No,
'Cause
we want to fix it here.
Okay.
A little faster that way for you.
And do you let inspectors come in and inspect it before they buy it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. Well, that's a nice big head. Oh, Willie. Nice big bed. Anyways, these stairs are just nervous because if you're an old person, but it's a little much. It was kind of cool. Anyways, so let's have a seat here. What do you think, huh? Not bad. Now the next one.